Asawa, I have something for you.
It's the what is it?
Belated happy birthday.
Wow! Chumala! Really? Really? Anong Anong flavor? Well, blueberry color. OMG! Thank you so much. Parang ito yung nakita natin sa sa BGC. Diba? Tapos nagtanong tayo ng price. My God, ganito din yung size. And it's 9,000 pesos. Wow! US. $126. So sabihin natin mga 6. Kasi yung $100, it's 5. Kasi bumaba 55 yung rate. Oh my God, thank you so much. Let me try it. Oh my God, let me try it. Jessie Mendiola, this is it. Your favorite. Joe Malone, Wild Bluebell, the original. Grabe ang bango. This is it. Meron akong perfume na naglo-long last. Wow! Sobrang bango. OMG. Grabe. Sobrang bango. Tama nga yung sabi mo, Jessie Mendiola. Sobrang bango. I love it. Pares na tayo ng favorite. Pati yung nectarine, na-try ko rin doon sa BGC. Inamoy and super. Thank you so much, Zawa. I love you. I love you. I love you more. To the moon and back. Yeah. Yeah.